What's up, you guys, and welcome back to today's video. We're going to be talking all about our Boxycharm boxes. We have two of them to share with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what's inside both of these boxes, and we're going to go ahead and talk about them. As always, I always try to keep these boxes pretty quick, pretty short, pretty sweet. I also try not to look at like what sneak peeks are or what's going to be coming up in the box, because I genuinely really enjoy being surprised with boxes. I think that's like the whole purpose of like when you first got the boxes. Like when we first started doing subscription boxes, it was all about like a mystery of what it could be in and stuff like that. Went ahead and I put on a little bit of a bolder lip to bring in a little bit more fall feel. I mean, it feels a little bit like fall. Like our weather here today, it was definitely like really warm, but then it cooled down pretty quickly. And once you got like in the shade and stuff, like it actually was like, okay, I could put on like a little flannel. Let's go ahead and get into it, and let's keep watching. The theme for this month, oh, this is kind of cute. Strut Your Runway. First thing I see here is by Ciate. This is the Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow. I think I've already gotten something like this, and I wasn't a fan. You can barely see it on my hand. Very dewy. It smells like bubblegum. I'm not sure that I would wear that on my skin. I just feel like that's like a breakout for me waiting to happen. Definitely not. I could not do that. Thing I have is Glow on Fifth Beauty. This is the Bye Bye Puff Eyes Cooling Eye Balm. I have is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Not a sample. This is a full size. It's definitely a good like zhush, like a little zhush for your lashes is how I like to see it. Next up I have is by Ofra. This is Signature Palette Symphony is what it says. You know, I've always been really impressed by the Ofra palettes. I still think that they're really cute and they've got good pigment, good color. Oh, I like that. Look at that. This is a good palette. Look at that. I like that a lot. I really like this color. I really have been into like the very bronzy eyeshadows like this, like an all over eye sweep of it. I don't know what it is, but there's something that's like driving me to just do like a one shadow kind of look. It looks so beautiful when I see it on people. Last up I have is this by Tint. This is the Phantom Liner. It's a liquid dip liner with a precision tint in the shade Black. So there you have it. Those are my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will say just the Ofra palette and the Too Faced mascara is definitely worth the box in its own, because the Too Faced mascara I think regularly is like what, 20 some dollars. Palette retails for $32. The mascara retails for $28. The London Dewy Glossy thing retails for $24. The Cooling Eye Balm retails for $24, and then the liner retails for $18. So that is what you have in the first box. Some of that dewy gloss stuff is like stuck to my forehead. We are moving into a Boxyluxe, and I'm sure you guys all know Boxyluxe is a quarterly thing. So you do pay a little bit more, but you're guaranteed more products and a bigger bang for your buck. Again, comes quarterly, around $60 I think it is. So let's dive into it. So I already see some good things. I'm excited about this. The first thing we have is by Beauty Bio. These are the Bright Eye Depuffing Eye Gels. I think that the older I get, the more I appreciate things like this. Like a couple of years ago, I felt like I definitely could just do away without these, and like I gave them to Eva and just kind of let my daughter play with them or whatever. And now, like in the mornings, if I don't get a good night's sleep or if I'm up late, whatever it is, right? The next morning I wake up and like my eyes are so puffy, and while I'm having my coffee and making breakfast for the kids, I will put these on, and it is a game changer. And just the cooling sensation on them just feels so freaking good. I appreciate these. Next up I have is another mascara. This is the Lawless, the One and Done Long Wear a Volumizing Mascara in the shade Nightlife. It says 97% salt instant volume, longer lashes, and filled in. Look at that. I have not tried this mascara, but I am very excited to do so. So that is exciting. Oh, I actually already have this. Next product I have is the Cream Blush. I've actually been testing it out too to see how I feel about it. So the shade that I have currently is in the shade Soft Pink, and then I got another one in the shade Soft Pink. So I'm not gonna open this one, but let me go ahead and show you. Packaging, very pretty, cute, and here you have it. And it is a cream blush, and it's very bright, and on me, I like it because I feel like it gives me a very like rosy cheek appearance. And I do find it that it works really well with like using a beauty blender and stuff. Like it's very versatile. Before I get to this random box, we're gonna go into this. This is the Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream, which is supposed to brighten, age defy, and 24-hour hydration. Again, coming into like the fall and winter months, you definitely need that extra hydration into your skin. So appreciate that again. What is this? I have this Partners in Crime Lip Liner Duo, Spray Tan and SOS. Ooh, what's that? All right, so there's these two. Oh, that's nice. That is so creamy. Look at that. That's a nice brown. This actually would have gone really well with the lipstick I have. It's like a basic brown, and this is like more brighter red shade, which I'm just gonna take them right out of the box and leave them out of the box because I know for a fact I'll use them. Next up I have is by Ren Skincare. This is the Everclear Redness Relief Serum. And it's supposed to help restore stressed skin. I need this all the time. I feel like the older my kids get, the more stressed out I get between like grades and school and extracurricular activities. Like, I feel like I'm always stressed out. So this here is like magic in a bottle for me right now. All right, what else do we have? What is this? Make Serum Balm. So is it, it's a lip balm, or is it, it's a serum balm for your lips. Ooh, oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. It's a pretty pink too. How cute. Look at that. It's got like a nice fat doe foot applicator. Let's just put some right on top. Ooh, oh. Tastes good too. Feels real good. I like that. So last thing I have is this box right here. Oh my gosh. Shut the front door, Steph. This is gonna be good. Okay, I can play with this. I got this. I can do it. Leaves, branches. I see it. I see it. I really want that new Natasha Denona palette also. I got my first palette. I've been like, buy. Like her lipsticks, solid buy. Lip liners, great. Just continually have been in loving her brand. I'm definitely gonna be swatching right now. Let's get this ready. 5. All right, there's the first row. Very pretty. I really like these more shinier colors. Moving on to the second row, and this one. I kind of like this like mint green one. Very pretty. You see that? Looks nice. And then the very last row, right here. So here, here. Can't see that. That's like my skin tone actually. Here. And then this like Zeal color right here. It's like a muddy brown. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like this muddy brown right here. I actually feel like would look really cool. There's another color that I have from one of her palettes, and it's like this muddy mustard yellow, and it always is like a foolproof color for me. Like, it really just is one of those colors that just ends up looking beautiful as like a base. Very pretty, very all over the place, but I see the color scheme for it. So that's everything in the boxes. Let me go ahead and do price breakdown again. Natasha Denona Zendo palette retails for $69. Definitely worth the box just in itself right there. The Lawless Beauty, $25. The Ole Henriksen, $34. The Ren Skincare, $60. The Balm was $26. Eye gel patches were $28. The lip liners, which were fabulous, were $18. And then the Dominique Cosmetics cream blush is $22. I have to give it to Boxyluxe this month. I think Boxyluxe really killed it. I think it has every single product in this box looks phenomenal, so I'm very excited. So if you guys are getting a Boxyluxe, I think you're gonna be very happy with what's in store to come for your box, because I think there's gonna be a lot of really great options. The base box is really good too though, so if you do get the base box, I feel like they're gonna have really good options also, but I'm excited. I think this is a good month. I'm excited to play with these products. I'm excited to try out this Lawless mascara just because I haven't tried it yet and I really do like this brand. Anyways, let me know down below if you are like me. Do you like waiting to see what's inside your box, or do you like knowing if it's already going to be a good box or not? You tell me. I'm definitely a girl that likes to wait until like I open my box just like this, because I get super excited, because I really genuinely think that this is going to be so much fun. Like, there's just so many things to play with and a bunch of new stuff, and the mascara, the eye gels, the eyeshadow palette, like it's just all good. So Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.